Hey Luna Tribe, good morning. How's it going with you? How have you been? Are you enjoying the holiday season, making a lot of gifts for your loved one? I hope so. I want to show you my new design. Look at this one. I just made it, I just finished it 2 days ago, and this is more like a first version. As you can see in the neckline, is like a V-shaped neckline. I want to say that this one become my favorite at the moment because of these beautiful stitches that I put it together. The popcorn stitch is quite nice and give me warm, even though I wear just this long sleeve and quite thin, but it was nice already to wear in this weather. But the second version also very nice. As you can see, I add this turtleneck and I love it so much. I find it so elegant and I love all the stitches that I put them together. I have to say that this is quite a big journey to give birth to this one because my idea keeps changing, and I couldn't be happier than this now. I'm very happy that my creativity and my inspiration kind of working out together. And you know what, I have a good news. Are you ready? 2020 is right at the corner, and I really feel in my heart that it's the time for us all to make an intention and ask ourselves why we do what we do. What is it with us keep crocheting every day? Are we doing this just for a hobby, or you really feel the call deep inside your heart that this is something you want to make it as your business, something that you want to make it work, something that you want to make it, into the next level, that you can be your own boss and stay at home, working at home, be with your family. And if this is your wish, let's make this wish come true, my beautiful friends. I have a new project coming out for those who are visual learner. I'm going to make a crochet education video tutorial for all of you who are ready to take this journey seriously and ready to be your own boss. More details, I put the link below this video. For now, I just want to show you how beautiful this Bolero, because this one is going to be the first video tutorial in this program. And don't you worry if you think that I'm gonna disappear from YouTube. I won't. I'm going to make even more video here and more tutorial here for the beginner to learn more stitches and just to make you fall in love with crochet. Alright, I wish you all beautiful holidays and I see you next video. Bye.